Lesson 15, Sort and Filter by Color. While new in Excel 2007, we can now sort based on cell color, the font color, or the icon that's in the cell. This forced Microsoft to offer a redesigned sort dialog, because just sorting by one column could require you to say, first sort by red, then by orange, then by yellow, then by green, and so the old sort dialog that only offered 3 rules just wasn't enough. You can also use the same basic idea to filter by color. Alright, so here we have a data set. You'll see that a conditional formatting icon set has been applied to column F, and various colors and cell colors have been used throughout. First thing we can do, the fast way to sort by color, is to choose a cell that has either the icon or color that you like, right-click, go to Sort, and choose Put Selected either cell color, font color, or cell icon on top. When we do that, you see that we've now put all of the green icons at the top of the data set. In a similar fashion, if I want to use this yellow, right-click, Sort, Put Selected Cell Color. The cell color is the fill color on top, and now we should have all of the yellow cells at the top of the data set. You'll notice that within the yellow, it remembers the order of the last sort, so the greens are at the top of the yellow formatted cells. Now, it can get pretty confusing to do the sorts in that quick sort, so sometimes we want to actually do the full-blown sort dialog. Strangely, there's 3 different ways to do this. We can choose Sort and then Custom Sort. That's a right-click, choose Sort and Custom Sort. On the Home tab, we can go to Sort and Filter and Custom Sort. Or on the Data tab, just press the large Sort button. So let's say that we want to sort by revenue, and we're going to sort on, instead of sorting on values, we're going to sort on cell color and say that we want the red on top. Now, next I want to specify the second color. So rather than building a new level, I'm going to copy this level. Sort on cell color, orange next, copy the level, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. And then maybe we also want to have a secondary sort in addition to color by customer. So I'll add a level, sort by customer, and I want to do those by values and choose alphabetically. Click OK. And Excel will do the sort. Red comes to the top. Within the red, we are sorted alphabetically by customer, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So when I first heard sort by color, I thought, well, that's fairly crazy. I'm not sure why anyone would want to do that. But you run into a lot of people who mark certain cells in red, and then they want to total the red cells or do something like that. Well, it's now possible to do using sort by color. I'm going to go back and sort this data into alphabetical sequence by date. We can also filter by color. So if we turn on the filter, either with Data, Filter, or back in the Home tab, there is Sort and Filter, Filter. In addition to having the values here in the filter, there's also Filter by Color, where we can choose to see just the cells that are one particular color. Or if I clear that, and then use the icon, we can also filter by color and choose one specific icon. Or one specific font color. So this is very flexible to be able to see just the records that match certain criteria. Well, there you have it, another new feature in Excel 2007, sorting and filtering by color. I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.